Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. A new feature got added to the workflows, and now you can look up multiple rows on a Google spreadsheet. So let's just dive right in, just so I can show you where to find it, how to set it up, and what it's for. So now we're just in some sort of a new workflow, and over here to add an action, and to find it, we need to type in Google Sheets, and obviously it needs to be connected to one of your Google accounts. And it's going to be look up multiple spreadsheet rows. Over here, choose an account, obviously needs to be connected, drive, my drive, and in this case, it's just called test spreadsheet. And over here, we look for the worksheet, which is at the bottom. We have the, within the Google Sheet, there's like the sheets at the bottom. It can be multiple. And this option, yeah, it's simple as that. Start from the top or the bottom. And let's just say, yeah, from top of the sheet. And over here, you pick a column. Let's just say name. I don't know. And the value, this is the value that it's looking for. Let's say contains John. And then over here, it can be case sensitive or not case sensitive, right? How important that is. And obviously, yeah, create a new spreadsheet row if it doesn't exist. For this one, for the row count, if I remember correctly, it was the number of rows extracted. So essentially what this action does is you can find and extract leads matching a certain criteria. You can work on data with specific values, etc. Just all kinds of cool stuff that you can do with to automate and make your life even easier. So yeah, make sure to go check it out. And if you have any questions, you can click this icon here at the bottom for 24/7 chat support. Let us know. Anything Funneltopia related, we'll make sure to respond as quickly as we can. But yeah, if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.